Hello and welcome to Babysteps in Movavi Video Suite 2025, Part 11, the Effects Packs area. I'm Tony of Tony's Tutorials and we're on version 3.1.1 of Movavi Video Suite 2025. Firstly, we're going over to where the video editor is. I'm going to left click on the launch pad, there, that little launch button. Right. And there's the video editor. Right, so now we're going to go all the way over to the left top corner, and as you can see the icons are in that column there, and the first one is the plus sign, so we're going to count that as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Looks like a little briefcase with a plus sign on the bottom right corner, and that's the effects packs. Right, so we're going to click on that with the left mouse button, and as we go across you'll see there's a lot of different thumbnails on here of different things. Right, these are all different packs. Right, so what you can do is you go onto a pack and you click on info, and they give you what packs of stuff are in that pack. Right, basically he's got like 13 overlays and 5 LUTs. I've already included these, I think, so if I click on the overlays like that, if there was any to download, it would have a download icon here, which I will show you in a later one. So we go back to the packs there. Let's go down here a bit more. Let's check that one. That's just titles. I don't want to do that one. I want to do one with loads of different stuff like this, backgrounds here. We'll do this throwaway one there. Right, so we click on the backgrounds. It will go to the backgrounds for that. Right, so all we need to do is just click on that download icon there with the left mouse button, and it downloads all the backgrounds for that particular pack. Right, you can actually download them individually if you want, instead of downloading all of them, which I will show you that in a minute. I'm just waiting for this to happen, so it's going to take a few minutes. It won't take very long, but it will take a few seconds, maybe half a minute, something like that. Because they're only pictures, they're not actually videos or anything like that. These are just backgrounds. I don't think there are any videos in that. Yeah, it's just images, so they won't take that long. Right, once them are done, I'll go wait for this to stop, and that stop like that. Right, then we go back to the packs, and it was this one. Right, so pack info again. We go down to something like, shall we do the stickers? Click on the stickers. That'll come on in a minute, unless I missed it. Oh, it's come on, there we go. What you can do is just click on that icon there, or we look for the ones that have got stickers on them, maybe have got that sign on them. There's any that have, where they are. Let's have a look. Got a lot on here already, so let's have a look. I can't see them. That one's already on. I can't see which ones they are. So, but if you have got some and you want to use them and they're not already there, like there, look, say that one, you can just do an individual one if you wish, or you can download all of them. So there you got 2. You can download the rest now. I'll download all of them. Right, so we've got all them ands now that we're going to have on there. That's how you do downloading them individually, by clicking them on the particular one that you want, if they're not already downloaded, that is, because some of these are already downloaded, like that one. Hey, look, I can do that and put that on, and obviously it's not facing the way it was supposed to be on there, but you can do that, so it doesn't matter anyway. But that's what I'm just showing you that. Right, so let's go back to where we was on the packs. Some of them, like this one for example, have only got titles or some other things. Right, there's all sorts of different things according to which ones they are. Sorry, like there, them have only got background, frame, stickers, and titles. That one has probably only got stickers. Yeah, 867 stickers. So there's probably a lot of stuff there. I probably already downloaded that one. I don't know. Let's just check. Yeah, I've already downloaded that one, that's why I've got so many on there. Right. And there's all sorts of different ones here, like you got that one. Cartoon, horror type story thing there, Halloween pack. It's got 2 backgrounds, 2 frames, 21 stickers and titles. So each one you can click on like that and it'll pick that particular thing, and you have to go and download that particular one, and it'll just download those ones that were particular to that particular thing, right? And it's just left clicking them. So that's going to download all them for me. Right, so it's much quicker to have it do that than you have to do everyone individually anyway, isn't it? And you can decide yourself if you don't want the one, you can always take it back off. Let's see if we can do that. Yeah, delete little bash from disk, you can do that. Or you can go to cartoon pack there, add to the timeline as well. So, or to right click, you right click and it says add to timeline, add opening credits, add to current position, add to closing credits. Click on there. That's closing credits now, should be. So if you had a actual video on there, it'd put it behind it or in front of it according to which way you was going, right? But there's a hell of a lot there to choose from. There might be some other stuff, overlay effects. Yeah, look, sample videos, transitions, titles, stickers, intro videos, and frames. Right, try that one. Look, same again. There's a lot of stuff here. E-learning set pack, backgrounds, frames, intro videos, stickers, titles, transitions, and sample videos. I haven't downloaded hardly any of these, so I ought to download them all, really, to be honest. What you got to watch though, there is a problem with one I've found already, which is the animal prints pack here. Right, so I did try downloading the stickers, and this is what happens when you try downloading the stickers. It does that. Could not download the pack, file is corrupted. Try reinstalling it. Now, to do that, I'd have to go back to the pack, and I don't know if I can. So what I need to do is something like this. Now it ain't doing it. Let's just see if I can get it off here. I'm just trying to get it off there. I need to re-download that pack from somewhere off here, but it doesn't tell me where I can do it offhand, I don't think. That's why I've contacted support about that particular thing, how to do that, but never mind. So that one, you got to be aware of the stickers. The stickers are the ones that are a problem, and the rest should be okay. Titles, I'll try that. That should be doing okay. It looks like it's doing okay. Must be just the stickers that are having a problem, I suppose. So I don't know why, but it is, yeah, just the stickers are having a problem with that. So do everything else on there but the stickers, so don't worry about the stickers, basically. Right, the transitions on, make sure them are on for that one. Well, I have reported it anyway, so at the end of the day I ain't gonna worry about it now. That'll get fixed in the near future if it ain't already, you know. So I'm just gonna make sure I've got the frames on. Here I have. So I've got everything else but the stickers on that one, because that's the problem. Now, but you know, you got to go through them and check before you can find out whether you got any problems with anything. That's already done, I think. So that's basically what you can do with these. You know, you check through them. If you've missed anything, you can go through and check, like that one. I think I've got some things on there. Now I've done all them by the looks on it. Yep, done all them. Go through. Next one, stickers. There's 115 stickers on there. They're all on. apparently, so I've got tons of stickers there, absolutely ton of them, because you'd have the download button there if there wasn't on. Right, so titles, no, now just checking. Oh, wrong one, sorry. Transitions, no, it's not there. So all the transitions as well have been already done on that one. Try this one, backgrounds, there you go, got some of them to download. And that's it, right? That's all I can show you with that really, because when you right click, it gives you the option to add the timeline at the beginning to the current position at the end, or after current clip, and you can delete it from the disk. So what I might do is go onto the animals and try and delete that from the thingy and get it to upload again or something, but I'll see what the support say first, because they might give me a better tip of what to do with that, because I don't know how else to do it at the moment, because it's changed from before when you used to have the different places for things like the packs and that, and you could delete them as a separate item, but it's changed since then. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. It's been very short, but that's because there ain't a lot else I can teach you with these, but I'm going to carry on loading them on, and I'll tell you if there's any more problems with any of them in the future. So keep your eyes open, and I'll let you know if there's any problems. Alright, thank you for watching anyway. Have a great day, and remember to like and subscribe to Tony's Tutorials. Thank you.